Let's go get him. Así me gusta. Boom! Bling, bling. Winning! Nita! Bear! Nita!
Brawn and beauty. I love that one. Too pretty for pain. Prime time, baby. Ow! Not the face! Oh, wait. I remember this is a big one. Sorry, noob. I like that one. Pew, pew, pew! Bullet storm! This is too easy. Time for trouble. Watch out. Here I come. Check out my guns. Ha ha ha!
I want this Bronx-sounding big guy who can make it tough and sound little words with big talk. No one beats the bull, cause it's unbelievable. I'll never leave you hanging when it comes to the bull.
Yes.
Oh!
¡El primo! ¡Soy el mejor! Showtime. You lose. Buenas noches. For pain and for glory. ¡Vámonos! Adiós, amigos. Me muero. Adiós, mundo cruel. El primo is here. El primo. Macho punch. Primo punch. Face of fury. Sin dolor no hay gloria. El campeón. The show must go on.
Wow, dude!
That was funny.
I'm turning it up to 11! Hey! You broke my guitar! Power chord!
That was probably my favorite one.
Don't mess with Jess. We can do this. Sorry. Great spot. Where will I put my friend? Build and brawl. Jess will fix it. Time to get constructive. Ha ha ha!
Birds are singing. Down to mine. Kapowie! Dynamite! Dynamite! Sorry. Not bad for an old timer. Don't touch my canary. I've got a short fuse. I'm getting grumpy. Who wants some TNT? Here, birdie, 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 birdie.
Number 1. Bye-bye. Let's go. Yeah. Yes. And then she goes, I'm the best.
Carl is my name. Geology is my game. Will you ever learn? Highly doubtful. The rocks speak to me. Geology rocks. Smoldering boulder.
And one of my other favorite ones where I yell, it's like,
suboptimal performance.
I love that one.
I'm eroding. Calculating awesomeness levels. I don't lava this. Geology rocks. I'm detecting seismic activity. The rocks speak to me. So much ignorance. So little time. Let's uncover the mystery of history. Carl is my name. Geology is my game. Triangulation rocks the nation.
Come to Jackie and get some smacky. As well as, out of my way, jabroni. How do you like them apples? Ha! Gotcha good. This is one wicked ripper. Hey! Leave me alone! Ha! You look bored. And a bunch of other ones I don't think I'm allowed to say.
This could get dangerous. Sometimes you gotta fight. Words aren't always enough. Is that Spike? Time to take Spooky for a walk. Gotta stay calm. Come on, Spooky. Good for me, bad for you. You got bested by a child. My balloon. Stop looking at me. We made it, Spooky.
Oh, wow. I'll have to say stuff that Bo doesn't necessarily say because I don't have like a script in front of me. Yes, that's I did not memorize the lines as well. I am strong like the wind. I am one with the earth.
Look at me! Not from that angle. Also, hashtag winning, of course. It just feels good. Are you serious? Oh my God! Take a chill pill. Oh, time to update my blog. Have to go and tell people that I was interviewed by Lex Gaming. Oh my God. I literally can't even.
Spectacular Stew is here for safety last. Hey kiddos, what's this? Doing it for all the lonely cats out there. Keep the tire marks as a souvenir. I'm one lean, mean winning machine. I'm only a bit broken. And because I know this is going to, they're going to probably say something, but like, spin the win, baby!
Stick a fork in me. I'm done. I'm sugar and spice. Come get it. This ain't my first rodeo. Give me some sugar. This is my second favorite Piper line. Stick a fork in me. I'm
only a bit broken. And because I know this is going to, they're going to probably say something, but like, spin the win, baby!
Stick a fork in me. I'm done. I'm sugar and spice. Come get it. This ain't my first rodeo. Give me some sugar. This is my second favorite Piper line. Kiss my grits. Oh my. Mind your manners. Well, I do declare. Bless your heart. Oh, sweetie. You're welcome. Oh, too bad. Oh, my stars.
Don't touch the scarf. Don't be salty. You guys, jeez. And he's like, whatever. Wow, hardcore. Don't look at me. I low-key want to win this game. Great, now everybody hates me. This is so lame. I could do this if I wanted to. CEO of Brawl Stars.
I am teaching, but you are not learning. Don't move. I will be returning. Here comes the big boom! Yet! I hear the children laughing at me. I will show you where lobsters spend winter.
Oh, geez, Louise. Oh, shoot. The kids today. Gosh darn. Never too old to be a bit bold. Old Gail still got it. Don't blame me. I just worked for Mr. P. I'm a-comin'. Hold on to your hats. Old Gail's gonna make it snow. I might be slow, but I can sure make it snow.
I see you.